What's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to change brake pads. This trick works for both front and back brake pads. These are your brake pads before you clicked on this video, and this is after the video. So with that said, let's get started. Allen keys, spanners and new brake pads. Untie the two nuts on both sides and then remove the wheel. Untie the nut that is holding your brake pad in place. Then remove the brake pads. Bring back your new brake pads and untie the nuts at the ends. Put the new brake pads onto the brake pad holder and fasten the nut to hold the brake pad in place. Bring back your wheel and put it back in its place. If the wheel does not fit, take some air out. Now it should fit. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss more content like this. Thanks for watching.